Hey, welcome to Truman Tech Breaks. I'm Thomas, and today we're going to be talking about how to use Ivanti to update software on your computer, particularly in this case, Zoom, which I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with at this point. So every once in a while, Zoom will push out an update, and it is important to keep the software as up to date as possible, but sometimes you do have to do it manually. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at how that can be done. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go down to your start bar. That's the little flag at the bottom left corner, and click on it. And you're going to go into your all programs there, and under I, you should see Ivanti Management. Click that to expand, scroll down to Portal Manager, click on that, and it will take a little bit to pull up here. You'll just wait until this gets all populated with all of your software. And there it is. So you'll see there's actually quite a bit of software in here, and you can feel free without any admin credentials needed to install any of this on your machine. Down at the very bottom you'll see Zoom. In this case, Zoom's not even installed on this machine, so I'm just going to click on it to start the install process. But if I already had it installed, I could just do the same thing to update it. All right, well, once you've started the installation or updating process, you really just need to wait until it's finished, and that should be all you have to do. If you want to double check and make sure that it works, you can always go and check what your Zoom version is and compare it to the most recent version. I'll throw a link in the description on how to do that exactly if you're interested. But otherwise, you should be good. We've got some pretty exciting things planned for 2021, so we're looking forward to getting those out for you, and we will see you later.